everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for all the messages and feedback and all the love and support that you've been sending out my way. Please continue to send out all your love. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Please share my channel too. And I'm back here with another pick a card reading for all you beautiful people. And this is to let you know what your person is feeling for you at this point in time. What are their current feelings for you, true feelings for you. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Rider Waite Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the amethyst stone on top. And this is pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. You could put the video on hold and then choose your pile. Please connect to these cards. Also, try and connect to your person. Once you connect, you've established your connection with your person. Once you visualize them, then you can choose these piles. It would be, this would just help you to get accurate answers. Please remember, these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I've also mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what people who've chosen pile number 1 have in store for them, what your person is feeling for you at the moment, or their current true feelings for you, how they truly feel about you. People who've chosen pile number 1, there might have been some kind of a dominating situation going on in your relationship, or a little controlling situation that was happening. Either you were being dominating, or your person was just feeling a little controlled and they wanted things to go their way, or things were not really working the way they were wanting them to. But now things are fine. Their attitude has changed again, and they are towards a positive attitude. Also, they are just wanting to do things the way they want. Like they want to call the shots. They want the situation to be uh you know ha- uh they just want everything to go the way they plan to. And they're just wanting that things should go in a certain manner, because maybe in the past you were the one who was calling the shots, you were the one who was dominating. Maybe they were feeling a little control, but on the whole right now they are happy, they're content, they are balanced. Maybe now things have just started moving the way they really wanted them to. They're taking shape the way they wanted them to. Their feelings are quite pure towards you. They are wanting to be with you. They are happy around you. People who've chosen this pile, if you're not married, your person might be thinking of the near future, like they're taking this relationship to the next level. But on the whole, their feelings are quite pure. Their feelings towards you are balanced. That negative phase of control or domination has gone, and this is a very happy relationship at this point in time. And your person is just trying that everything falls into place in a balanced manner. They want to take the relationship forward. They want things to be happening according to a specific plan, and like in a very systematic manner. Maybe for some of you, like I said, the past was a little dominating, or for the person it was a little dominating. But it might have left that feeling of being extremely burdened. So they are just wanting to take away that whole negative feeling. They just want to remove, just erase that feeling of negativity or burden or extreme responsible. Maybe they've worked a lot towards uh, taking this relationship forward, and finally that feeling of being complete, content has finally come in them. And for some of you, if it's not happened till now, very soon things will just take shape. Things will, move forward. Maybe some of you are feeling a little stagnant, or are feeling a little ignored by your person for some reason. But it's just a matter of time. Things will start moving ahead for you in the next 2 months. and on the whole your relationship or your person is definitely pure, it's definitely positive, they're true to you, your relationship is true. And please do not get any feelings of dishonesty or mistrust in your mind regarding your person, because your person is working towards everything, they are wanting to take things forward in a planned and systematic manner. And also 3.5 weeks for a lot of you to just get into the new phase of your life, new phase of the relationship, which will be a very positive one. So just don't have any apprehensions or any preconceived notions about what tomorrow has to hold for you. It's all planned well, and your universe is with you. And your person is definitely working for the best for this relationship, and they are just in that feeling of finally being together with you. They just want to be with you, they want to be happy, they want to spend their whatever time or their life with you. That's their plan, so that's what they're working towards. And for some of you it might just happen with a blink of an eye, some of you might take time, since these are general readings, so time periods may vary, but overall it's going to be a very positive phase between you and your person, and their feelings are honest. They're just trying to explore new avenues to take this relationship forward, or to work out things between you and your them and you. And the moonology cards have finally even just confirm this even further, that yes, you and your loved ones are in the right space, are in the right manner, and things will just work out the best for you. A new start is coming, so like I said, just enjoy this new phase, don't have any preconceived notions, don't have any apprehensions, don't anticipate what tomorrow holds for you, because everything is planned well. Trust your person, believe your person, that they're working towards a better future for both of you together, and a new start is coming your way. 3.5 weeks for a lot of you for this new start to take place, new chapter of your love life to start, and you and your person be happy in your own space. So just wait and watch. I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number one. Please leave in your comment and feedback in the comment section. Also, I repeat, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you so much once again. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number two, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. Your person's true feelings for you at this point in time. How are they feeling about you? People who've chosen pile number two, your person is definitely deeply, fond of you, deeply in love with you. Some of you might have, had some kind of an issue or something very, very basic, but your person is definitely ready for a patch up. They're definitely wanting to, meet you or just talk to you. Also, for some of you, things are just amazing, and your person is, you must have not met each other, or must have not spoken to each other for some time, or it's a general feeling of just they're longing to meet you, they're wanting to be with you, and their heart is full of love, they're oozing out with a lot of love, they want this relationship to just prosper. Their feelings are true, their feelings are absolutely, like they're even working for the relationship to be going forward. And they feel complete with you. And for a lot of you who've chosen pile number two, your person definitely is wanting a big change in their life, but with you. So for those of you who are not married with each other, maybe you and your person, your person is definitely feeling that urge to now just get settled with you, to take the relationship further, to have that commitment. They're longing for that commitment, because they're just oozing out with a lot of love. They feel complete with you. And it's very clear in the cards that they are working towards it. They want that support and commitment from your end too. For some of you, maybe things must be a little stagnant, maybe things must be a little slow, but nevertheless it's in no time that things might just things might just take shape. to go to the next level, but your person is definitely feeling, on top of the world with you, because of you, and also are, their cup is full of love for you. They're just brimming with love for you. So you must just give it back to your person. Listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling. For a lot of you, if you're having issues in, you know being with you or being with your person, or if there has been also something which is very nitty gritty, just forget about that and move forward, because, listen to your heart, listen to your instinct, and I'm sure your instinct will be telling you to just move towards your person. Get the strength, get the courage, people who've chosen pile number 2, to be with your person, because they're definitely, longing to be with you. And celebration is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2. So any stress that's coming, again I'm repeating, you might be facing some kind of an issue because of relatives, because of friends, family. There must be some kind of stress coming. Don't let that affect you and your person or your relationship. Don't let other people influence you and, make this relationship a rotten one or a messy one. Your person definitely is a very positive person and is definitely in love with you. So work towards your relationship with your person, and 28 days from now things will just be sorted out if there are any issues, because your person's feelings for you are absolutely pure and true, and they are honest towards you. And like I said, maybe you're facing a little bit of an issue, or even your person might be facing an issue because of some, family or some relatives or some people trying to influence the relationship. That's the reason maybe things are little, stagnant or a little slow, or things are not really moving fast, and that's why your person is just longing to meet you. Like I said in the beginning, that maybe you've not met your person, or have not really been able to contact your person because of some reason, but your person is full of love for you. So just work towards you know taking this relationship forward. Try and give your person that commitment, get the strength and the courage. And also, it's very clear from the mystical wisdom cards that you need to just face all these fears now and move forward. So anything that's stopping you, anything that's not letting you move forward, is now supposed to be released, and you need to go ahead and don't make this relationship a difficult one because of other people. Trust your person, trust yourself, listen to your inner feelings, inner, you know just ask yourself what really you want and discover your courage. It's very important. Mystical wisdom cards have also confirmed that it's just a matter of getting that strength and courage to move forward. Please follow your intuition. Even the mystical wisdom cards have made it clear you need to just follow your intuition and move forward in this relationship. If you think that you're in love with your person and they are the best for you, and if your heart tells you to do it, just go ahead, because their feelings for you are very, positive, pure. They love you. Like I said in the beginning, they're oozing out with love for you. They're longing to be with you. So just get that feeling, that spirit of working towards the relationship, and taking this relationship forward. And your one step will bring them closer to you. They will work even more, and the universe itself will start putting the pieces left in this puzzle, and make things work for you. Set your goals, be a leader. People who've chosen pile number 2, take your relationship forward, and soon this whole weight, this whole issue, whatever is coming in your love life, will get sorted out very soon, with you putting in the first step and the rest leaving it to the destiny and the universe. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck. What does your person truly feel about you? What are they feeling about you at this point in time? People who've chosen pile number 3, there's some kind of a stagnancy going on in the relationship, and your person is also working towards things, but it seems like, things are not moving forward, and there's a weight going on. Also, for some of you, the road is very unclear. Your person is true to you, but the events that have happened in this relationship, or in this point in time at this point in time, have made things a little sour. They've made things a little slow, and there is some kind of a trust issue that's happening between you and your person. They are quite stressed about this whole situation. They want things to work, they want that balance to come, but maybe their trust has disappeared, or they've been shaken up because of something happening. Maybe you or them, there's some kind of a miscommunication that's maybe happened. And also, you do mean the world to your person. They definitely want this struggle to get over. They definitely want balance, purity to come back in the relationship. And that feeling of contentment is missing at this point in time. They're not feeling content with the relationship. There is some kind of a weight. But again, I'm repeating, there is nothing like a, your person is trustworthy. Your person is the right person for you. They love you, they want to be with you. You and your person are the right people for each other. But the scenario, whatever has happened, has just made it a little difficult for you both to get that contentment or get that feeling of completion in this relationship. But 28 days from now, I see you and your person together again, with all, whatever is that missing element in your love life. It's all gonna be all fine. And that feeling of a complete bond, a complete family, or two people just made for each other, that's going to come back. Maximum 2 months from now, things just get settled between you and your person, and that interdependence, and that the relationship, that nurturing that relationship needs, it's just going to come back. So you just need to give it some time. You need to work towards this relationship. Your person is just hurt, or broken, or that stress has come. They're not being able to trust you back, or they're not being able to trust the situation, whatever it is. Maybe they were asking you for commitment, you didn't really give it, you move back, anything on those lines. So that has just disturbed them, and they're waiting for that balance, or they're waiting for that feeling of love, of trust, and that complete bond to come back. Overall, their feelings are pure towards you. They're feeling just a little heartbroken, a little dejected. And soon this situation will change. This stress situation will evade. This is just going to vanish, and a new phase in the relationship will begin, and it's going to just start taking the relationship to the next level again. And I see your person, as well as your person, working towards the relationship, and definitely see this relationship prospering with immense love between you and your person. So don't worry about anything regarding your person feeling negative or anything. That's nothing like that. It's just that this time is such that the situation at current, which has just taken your person a little by surprise, or a little it's just a little difficult for them to accept a few things. And it's just going to get better very soon. But their feelings towards you are true, and they do love you. They're the right, they're just absolutely the right partner for you. Also, like I said in the beginning, like I just said, that it's just a matter of time. People who've chosen pile number 3, in your, for some of you, it could just be, like I said in the beginning also, that maybe it was just a lack of commitment from your side, or your you were not able to get that courage to speak in front of 10 people that yes, this is the person, this is what I feel, or anything on those lines. It's a general reading, so things will just be different for different people. But don't let other people decide for your relationship. Pile number 3, people who've chosen this pile, please don't let others decide for you or for your person. It's you who needs to take the step. It's you who needs to you know uh, work for this relationship and speak for yourself. So don't try and please people just for the sake of it. It's you need to be happy with yourself, and then your person. It's just a matter of you and your person, and third person shouldn't be made to feel happy, or shouldn't be made to feel pleased in this relationship. Also, your person's expectations from you have been a little hurt, but things will be fine. Just keep that spirit of, making this relationship a successful one. Just keep that in yourself, and you'll see how things will just work for you. And also, the miracle cards are just guiding you that you will triumph over obstacles and some stumbling blocks very soon. All your wishes and desires are going to get fulfilled. You need a lot of faith and confidence in you, yourself, and then your person. So that faith and confidence is very important for yourself, for you to take this relationship forward, or for you to just speak in front of 10 people that yes, this is the person I want to be with, or this is what this person feels for me, and this is the way I feel for them. Also, you need to just look beyond everybody else and don't afraid to aim high. So like I said, just you need to think about the bigger picture. You need to think about what you want to do with your person. Maybe for some of you, you're still confused whether you want to be in the relationship or not. That fear of, I don't know, disapproval by others or whatever is, not letting you aim high. So you need to first make that decision. If you want to be with your person, then you just need to work towards it, and you need to, get that courage in yourself. And I definitely see you getting, being successful. I definitely see the relationship going ahead and achieving greater heights, and you both being together. Universe will help you. You need to show the universe that you are there, you're showing the courage to take this relationship forward, and that's, the almighty will start setting up the platform for you. And it's going to be a little burdening, it's going to be a little difficult, but overall I see you and your person, being together. 24 days from now, things might just start, new opportunities or might start opening up. People might start helping you out. And also I see that unexpected miracles will start happening with you. So just put that first step forward and see how things work for you. Your person is definitely true to you, their feelings are true, whatever they are saying to you is absolutely true. And you need to make them feel more wanted. You need to make them feel that you care, and they do mean the world to you. That's because that's what they want. They want this partnership to move forward. They want to be with you. They're just longing to be with you. They're wanting to uh, patch up or reunite with you. People who've chosen pile number 3. So the person is definitely wanting that. They are urging to do it, but something has just made this thing come down, or it's just hurt them. So you just work towards uh, making the relationship a better one. You need to do that. You need to take that step and make your partner, make your person feel more loved. People who've chosen pile number 3. So I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave your comments and feedback in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Thank you so much once again for tuning into my channel, and take care and stay safe.